The world ended yesterday. I was too late. But time left me one more whisper.
One-time jump system activated. Window, 5 minutes. Destination, 48 hours prior.
That's all I need.
Warning. Temporal integrity unstable. You may not return.
They wouldn't listen to protests, but they'll listen to fire alarms. They'll never know what hit them.
Timeline corrected. Goodbye, Alara.
Alara Miles, Frasti, the one who warned us.
Mom, who was she?
She saved the world, sweetheart.